This is part 2 of tutorial of creating robot repairing game inside Unity engine. Now starting in this part to start working on our game. So I switch to my game scene. Be sure here on unity-game.unity I will create also empty object. Leave it as game object, no problem, change the name. I will go create a new script. This one, give it the name of game script. Double click. You can see here my game script. I read this line here. My function update. I don't need to change to on GUI. And leave function start. We will need it here. At first, I want to create a new class for my cards. The class here would be class card extends system dot object. Here inside this class I have variable named is face up. The type is boolean and the initial value is false. Another variable is matched, type boolean, false, and variable image of type string. This is the one that will give me the image name. This one, leave it without the value now. It will be defined with a constructor. So I'll define my constructor here, and here image equal robot. This is as the default value of image is robot. Now I also need a lot of variables I will need them inside my game interaction. I will variable of columns here, columns of type integer, here is equal 4, variable rows integer also equal 4, variable total cards will equal rows y columns, which means 16 here. I have 16 cards. Then var matches needed to win. This will equal total cards multiplied by 0.15, which means here it's 8, because each 2 cards will give me 1 match, so they are half of the total cards. Then I have variable matches made of type integer, initial by 0. Here specify types here. This one is integer, this one is integer. Then I have variable card width equal, the card width will be equal to, it's of type integer and equal to 100, var card height integer equal also 100. Then I also need some arrays. Variable a card the cards array. Its type is array, and I also the grid array. Variable a cards flipped. This one is array list. No, sorry, I don't have these brackets here. Also variable player can click. It's of type boolean, and leave it, just put, will initial this inside the function start, or I can put it here, boolean equal to false, player equal to true, variable player has one, this one boolean equal to false. Sorry, create a mistake here. This one must be initial, here must be initial just inside the function start, because this is like a flag to control if the player can click or not. If I put it here to true, it will not be updated later. It will give me some error, some mistakes in my interaction. We'll give it initial value here, player can click is equal to true. This means it will take it true only at first time here. Then I initialize my arrays, a cards equal with s here, a cards equal new array. I have also the a grid is equal new array also, and the a cards flipped equal new array list, and I'll need a loop. A loop here and another loop inside it. It's like normal C++ ing. For this ing I will initialize my grid. For example here, a grid I equal new array. A grid I j equal new card. What this means? This means each row is a new array, and on each index I have a new object of type card, which is the class I defined before. I will save my code. Go check here. I have some errors, says. Okay, make this one rules to fix the errors. I will drag this one to my game object. Now when I play, nothing will happen. As you see, it's an empty scene now when I click play. This is because I didn't put anything in my function of onGUI. Stop here at this part. The next part will add the buttons that includes the images.